If you point me, yes, because he wanted to search my bag to know if I was a media person. So it's easy to identify me. Yes, my daddy is there, my mom is there, my family members are there. He does not know my name.
But sir, please, so what about other Nigerians?
No. That's what they are saying.
No, that's not.
That's what they are saying.
They don't
want
too much crowd there. I think that's what they are doing. But you can stand outside. No, but they are taking us away from this village now. We were here before, they changed us away from this village.
You know that legally this is wrong. That's why you know legally this is wrong. And the police have the right to restrict our movement. Because what the police is doing here is illegal. You cannot defeat our right to movement. It's the constitution, it's the law. It's the law. It's the law. And you know that you know what they are doing for the to protect us. That is their job. Their job is to protect us. Their job is to intimidate them. Their job is to protect us. So we know how to intimidate them.
I'm a lawyer as well.
This is totally and completely wrong. And legal non-constitutional. You cannot prevent people from freedom of movement. It is not right. It's not right. It's not right. We are in a democratic society governed by the constitution. We are not a banana republic. We are not a banana republic. We have laws. We have constitution in Nigeria that should guide conduct of every public servant.
This is a secret trial.
Even secret trials are illegal. Even at the tribunal, even as a military tribunal, as a court martial, press are welcome. Press go to this military tribunals.
I'm only letting them to do their duties. As long as I'm
and let this be clear to you, we are not intimidated by all this. Let this be clear to you, we are not intimidated by all this.
We are saying we want to regulate
no regulation of media. Regulation of media is illegal. Look at illegal.
Do we stop you? Do we stop you?
I want you to
I thought you listened to me. Please relax. Let these people please
what kind of order is that? I thought you understand that. She is the sister of the young man being victimized. It's you people who are not here for peace.
You carry gun and tell us that
you are not here for peace. Look at your gun. Look at your gun. It's not you. It's not you. Can you still look at your gun and say you are here for peace?
You are
let's go.
I tell you, say me can continue as journalist or make I will come tell you today. Tell you tomorrow.
People fought for your salary.
My work.
You took him even advanced case.
That was a kidnapper. They are passing their pass along. They can't even see anything. Can you imagine?
How can you go to his house to arrest him? And now you may go him out. We enter inside.
We are
youth, we own this country.
I trust Nigerian youth, they will speak for themselves. Without anything.
If you want lawlessness, suspend the constitution. Let us know by the constitution.
If there was no someone who worried, they would be the ones here.
Good morning, Karen. I said you guys have been outside since I was here.
Can you listen to me, please? Yes, sir. Can you please listen to me? Please, I want to appeal to you. Listen to me.
Lawyers were passed to decide people outside.
Listen to me, please. Please, listen. No,
Please, can you calm down?
What we want, gentlemen, what we
Sorry, that way you will see him. I will say hi to him. Let me say hi to him.
Somebody else.
Can we say hi to him? Sorry, can I say something? Can I just say something?
Let me get it.
Are you fine?
No, you have not been allowed access to doctors.
Not to check up on it's just like this.
It's okay. Don't create. They use noise as excuse. Don't use.
Me, I'm going live on Instagram.
All I just want. Don't shout.
Not the other person. Ask them to lock the door.
Nobody should shout, but these two, I need their presence. That's all.
You're coming inside.
They want to
The lawyer is behind the screen.
The one is to record the evidence.
Your sister is outside. She wants to speak back. Avoid me, oh, not my face.
There was no.
It's true now.
Lawyer, in office. You tell security man to lock the gate and lock out people for what?
Lock lawyers outside.
Local lawyers, local litigants for what?
Ridiculous.
Where's the training?
This is your intimidating the judiciary in Augusta. The judiciary is an independent arm of government. You cannot come and intimitate the judiciary. This officer, open this gate. Open this gate. This is not a police station.
This is not a police station.
That's the lawyer outside. That's the lawyer outside. You cannot lock the gate. Officer, open this gate.
What's the
meaning of this?
So, you have to start introducing yourself. Madam, it's an embarrassment to you for you to start introducing yourself before you come inside.
Please, take that, get that gate back. They cannot lock the gate. They cannot lock the gate. They cannot lock the gate. This is not the station. This is not the station. This is not the station. Very useless people. Why will they connect to the next judiciary? We're an independent arm of government. Why will the policeman come and lock the gate of the court? Who is he? I'm trying to go away. Just feel what I came to do in court.
I wonder what the security officer are doing. This is not police station where you mount the gate for the security officer. I said what? Lock that place again.
Can you open the gate? I don't want to cause a scene. Please, just open the gate. This is part of the lawyer. I don't want to cause a scene. Just open it now, please. Let alone the gate are don't get that traditional side. Traditional one. Can you imagine? I'd like to go with Can I advise you, sir? The easiest way to decongest, to reduce this tension, is to leave the gate open. As long as you continue to lock the gate, you will just create unnecessary noise, unnecessary agitation.
They are considering the space there.
It's tactics now. There's enough space downstairs. You use that one. Coming up.
No more. Please,
We can sit on there.
please. No problem.
Eromosele. Okay.
Thank you,
Today's magistrate was much better than yesterday's magistrate. Thank you very much. I feel so happy right now. This one was better. It was obviously better. The team we set up was better than yesterday's team. The magistrate herself was much better than yesterday's magistrate, and he has been granted bail with bail conditions, yes, but we'll work on that.
What we want to say is that while we agree that the magistrate was able to give us bail, we still reject the 1 million naira. For us, it's not lenient. It should not go more than 50,000 naira as bail. The Abuja 6 was just 50,000 naira each. But in all of it, we have been able to, with one voice, togetherness, intimidate the state today and show that what we did was not criminal, it was civil.
My learned friend for the prosecution, when he was making submissions before the court, had said that they were taking care of him. So I said, okay, can they take care of him? Why and that he should continue in that magnanimity. And he did not oppose it, and that was kind of him. Because if the judge should rule that should be taken to prison, you'll be talking of a maximum security prison, Kirikiri, or the Koyi prison. You understand? And sometimes even Adagri prison. All these are very horrible places. So we just decide to choose the lesser of the evil. Of course, the police station is not a house or a 5-star hotel, but by far better than the prison.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
And he has already become, and a lifetime moon, he has already become their customer.
Yes. Thank you very much, sir.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am, we saw you dancing. Tell us, how do you feel?
I feel very happy. Naturally, I feel very happy. It's answered prayer. God answers prayers. God rules in the affairs of men. I've always known that. And his name, what they don't know is that Eromosele means my prayer is answered. That's in his name. And we have prayed today, and God has answered us again. He has been answering us before he was born. He has been answering us since when he was born, and he's still answering us. Even in his situation, he's still answering us. And he will continue to answer the Nigerian youth. Nobody must mortgage Nigeria from the Nigerian youth. You must stand your ground. You must request what you want. Nigeria cannot continue to be the poverty capital of the world. The whole world, Nigeria is the poverty capital. It's not acceptable. It's not acceptable. I support the Nigerian youth, and I stand with Eroms. Thank you so much.
Jinodo, and I'm the legal representative to the defendant in this matter. That's Eromosele Peter Adene. Well, as it is, we're happy today that our bail application was granted today by the court, and the court granted the bail with conditions. So which we will do our best possible to perfect in the shortest possible time. So, and that is it. So, well, as it is now, our main grievance is that the defendant in this matter has been arrested since the 7th day of November, and he has not been arraigned before any court up to date. Now the police are bringing application to come and get a remand order again for the next 30 days to keep him there. I followed him to Abuja, the FCID, and I noticed that the investigation department, the cyber cryptography and cybercrime unit had completed investigation, and the head of the department had sent the file to the CP Legal for it to be charged to court, or they give advice for him to be granted bail. But till now, surprisingly, on Sunday, I just got a call that is at the airport coming to Lagos. So, and that is where that's why they brought the application again yesterday, being Monday, for another remand for 30 days. And that is why we are vehemently opposing it. That this is not good. You have kept him for over 10 days now. What investigation are you conducting? Is it a murder case? Since he has not committed any case that is not bailable, grant him bail. If you want him to be reporting to the police station for any investigation, then it will be available. And considering his health circumstances, the man has a medical history of liver complications. He complained of this. You prescribe malaria and typhoid drugs for him in the police cell. You are treating him right there in the cell, and you still want to get an order for another 30 days.
Do you think there's a reason the police singled him out for arrest?
Well, I'm yet to know that until they come before the court and prove the reason. I don't know. The only grant they gave was that they saw a flyer flying on the internet with his contact, without his name. It's not the originator of the document. And you because he's calling for a protest, you have made that a crime, and you have arrested him. You said he's inciting people. He has not done that. You arrested him very early in his house, and yet till today you don't want to grant him bail. So that is our grievance. That in the interest of justice and fairness, even when the police still want to prevent the outbreak of any disorderliness in the society, you have to do that bearing in mind the provisions of the Constitution. bearing in mind the rights that Nigerians have, that have been enshrined in the Constitution. That is just it, and that is what we have come to the court to pray to the court to uphold that right that the defendant has, and that it should be granted bail. And we are happy that the court had listened to us, and our prayers were granted.
Thank you very much.